All right, you're not going to want to miss this. Today I'm going to show you the entire workflow, the fully automated workflow to do all your SEO research, to do all your blog posts, and to automatically do your social media posts. So it's doing all of that workflow fully automated. So this is one of the most game-changing things that I've found. And it's generating the graphics, it's generating the social media captions, it's doing your SEO research and generating the blog articles based on SEO research that are bottom of the funnel, long tail, high search intent content based on what your competition is doing and what they're not doing as well. So I'm going to show you this whole workflow at play, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So once you build this workflow, you can literally enter one prompt and it'll do everything autonomously for you guys, which is kind of wild. So let me run this and I'll show you. I'm just going to enter the pre-prompts, which are 8 and 9 to run the workflows. These are pre-built, so the 8 and 9 doesn't really mean anything. And we're going to run through this workflow, and it's going to basically go back and check the previous skills and workflow that I built in here. And it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to take a little bit of time because it's doing a lot in the background. But what it's doing, it is analyzing all of my local competition, my local competitors, seeing what they've done in terms of their website pages, and in terms of their blog articles, in terms of their SEO, their keywords, what has done well, what hasn't done well, what are some gaps. So once it does that, it's going to produce a list of long tail, bottom of the funnel, high intent keyword blog article titles. And it's going to then send those titles to a third party, which I use Arvow, which is an all-in-one SEO content creation machine, which is amazing to create the SEO-friendly blog articles with my assets included. I can include my sitemap, pictures, all of the information, my knowledge base of my website. So it's basically pulling in all of my website's information and brand assets to help create the blog articles. It's going to then publish those blog articles to my Wix site as a draft. Then after that, it is going to create, it's going to pull in the RSS feed, my blog article RSS feed, which I've already approved. I know what it is. I know that it's good. It is then going to basically pull that, strip that down, and then create a week's worth of social media content, Facebook and Instagram content based on my RSS feed. So it's going to create content that are tips. It's going to include all the local hashtags. It's going to be my brand voice and tone that I have set up. It's going to generate the graphic images, and it's also going to pull the images from my website, from my blog article that match the actual captions and the descriptions of the Facebook and Instagram posts. Then it's going to be sent over to Blotato, which is a third-party publishing app, which is a really cool app. And then from there, Blotato is going to schedule it in the next available time slot that I have available. You can set up specific time slots for when you want stuff to post, which is nice. So it's going to put that in the next time slot, all of those posts. But what it is going to do, it should ask me to verify this stuff here. All right, so it did a quick check just to make sure that the workflow is right. So I'm going to run the entire workflow here. Because it will ask you for permission, and it'll ask you to make edits to the existing workflows, and it goes through, which is really nice because it's very proactive. All right, so here we go. The first part is the actual SEO analysis, the competitor analysis, and the blog articles to then produce and send to the website via Arvow. So here's the list. I have it set up to do 5 at a time. So then from here, you can basically decide which ones to keep, if you want all of them or if you want to skip 2. One of these is close to what I already have. So I'm just going to say skip number 1 and keep the rest. So it's very interactive. I have this set up there. It's going to ask you to approve everything before it sends anything, pushes anything to your website or to your social media channels. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to do its thing again. And then it is going to send them over to Arvow to actually generate the blogs based on, again, this is doing it. Arvow, you can add in all your brand assets, your sitemap, call to action, all of your knowledge base, all the information. So it's using that in conjunction with Claude Code to generate the articles. And then once they're generated, it's going to push them to the website, to Wix or wherever your website is, I have it pushed to draft. So I give them one final look, and then I'll schedule them for publishing. So I just like a little bit of checks and balances. You can have it published immediately if you want. You don't have to. So that is that end of the workflow. So I'll show you the back end of that, and then we'll come back here to generate the rest of this workflow, which is the social media content for a week based on the RSS feed. All right, so now I'm in here in Arvow, which there's a link below if you guys want to try out Arvow. You don't have to use it in conjunction with this workflow, but it does make it amazingly easy. You can use this manually to create articles with just a title and a keyword if you want. So here's the articles that we just created, the top ones here. And you can see if you click in here, how awesome these are done, because it has all the built-in bells and whistles. I could have Claude or ChatGPT or Perplexity create blog articles, but they're not going to have any of this built-in brand assets or built-in SEO bells and whistles. So this makes it a lot easier. It has a focus keyword, meta description, H3, H2, titles. This is written for AI overviews as well, because it has all the important information up front here. It includes images. It includes, and again, you can have it do your own images, your own sitemap, so it'll link to existing pages in your sitemap. And then at the bottom, it'll have FAQs, which are really good for AI reviews and all that stuff. So that is those articles created, and then you can see it pushed them from Arvow over to my website. And here you go. These are all in drafts, the same articles here. So I can pull these, I can open these up, make any final adjustments, but most importantly, just schedule these out when I want them scheduled. So that part is a little manual, but I like the extra, the extra checks and balances. But that process alone, the SEO, competitor research, researching gaps in the market, keyword research, and blog article generation, literally that's going to save you 10 to 20 to 30 hours a week by itself. And it's all completely automated for you with this workflow. The next part is the social generation. So let me do that now. So since this part is done, all I have to do is enter a 9. Again, this is pre-built as far as my shortcuts. So I'll enter a 9, and then it's going to look at the RSS feed on my website, because I'm curating that specifically based on keywords and bottom of the funnel searches. So that is a good database to pull from for my social media content for the week. So it's going to pull that and figure out the best posts for the week based on my RSS feed. You can also do this on a YouTube feed or a YouTube video as well, which works just as well depending on the workflow that you want. If you give it like a main feed of your assets, of your brand tone, your brand voice, it's going to do the best. So this is going to generate, and then we will check back on it in just a second. All right, so the next step is done for the captions and the images for the posts. So right now I have it generating 5 posts from, again, my RSS feed on the blog. So you can go through here and you can approve all these or change any ones that you want. But then once you approve, then it'll generate the images for each, which that'll put them here. And again, you can approve these or have these changed, and then you can kind of look at each image and kind of see. So you can have it do a graphic image, or it will sometimes it'll take an image from your website and put it as the graphic image that way. So whatever you want to have it do, I have it where it does both. It does graphic images and then real images. Again, it takes those images from the blog articles on your website, which is really good and really it makes them a lot more engaging. But then when you're ready to post this, you just put publish. And then once you hit publish, it sends those to your scheduling app, which is Blotato, which is what I'm using. Which here is just a quick overview of Blotato. You can add a slot. So I have like 10, 1, 3, and then you can add a slot and then select which social media channels you want to be applied to that specific slot. So it's highly customizable. Again, I'm using this as a publishing app, but it can do way more than that. You can create posts and really engaging posts and captions from Blotato itself. You can use this to create images. So if you want Blotato to create certain images, there is a bunch of templates here where it will use one of these templates and create whatever you want from one of these templates. So there's, depending on your brand, whatever you want. Again, I have Claude creating the images and graphics, but I've also done it where this creates it for other brands, if it makes sense. Like if you're doing like infographics and tips, like some of these are really good. They have like whiteboard, chalkboard tips. So this is a really cool asset as well. So that's the entire workflow, but let me show you really fast what you need to get this set up and get this started. So first you need Arvow. So you can get Arvow, and once you have Arvow, there's a free trial. But once you have Arvow, you would need to go into blog integrations, and then you would create an integration using the API. So you would do the API, get your API ID, and basically you just copy that and paste that into Claude Code. You would also need your Blotato API key, which if you go into settings, API, you can get it here. So those are the two APIs, because you're using Arvow to create your blogs, you're using Blotato to publish your social media assets. So then all you need to do is set up Claude. So you need a Claude account. So you need to go to claude.ai, set up an account. But then we're using Claude Code. So this is going to be a little bit differently, because you're going to be setting up Claude Code on your computer. So what you need to do is go to Visual Studio. So Visual Studio Code, download this. This is free. Once you download Visual Studio, then you're going to open Visual Studio. And then once you have Visual Studio open, it's going to look like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to the apps. So you're going to go in here, you're going to search for Claude, just type Claude here, you can see it here. You're going to install it, and then once it's installed, you're going to be able to use Claude just like you normally would, but it's going to be in Visual Studio. So it's going to keep track of everything. So the one thing that you're going to have to do is create a folder on your desktop for this. So label it whatever you want to label it. So it's going to basically generate all your skills and keep track of all your assets in your folder. So it's going to have a memory of everything that you're doing and all of your skills. So then you can rerun this workflow and it's going to work the same way. That's where this is like next level. So when you're ready to open your folder, at the top, you'll see File, and then you will see Open Folder. You hit Open Folder and you just open whatever folder you created. It's going to be blank, but again, once you start working with this, it's going to start saving stuff in the folder. The next part of this that you're going to start with is going to be the prompt to get you rolling with all this. So if we go in here, here is a really good prompt. If you take prompt below, I'll share this with you. But this is basically creating your SEO content and distribution engine. So you're going to type this in, and it's going to ask you for your assets, website URL, industry, competition, all that stuff, so it can create this workflow for you. So you're going to copy and paste this in there, answer all the questions that it asks you, and then it's going to start to create your skill. So it's going to create the blog skill, then it's going to create the social media skill, and then you're just copy and paste in your API for Arvow, your API for Blotato, and then it's very easy because you can ask it questions and keep refining it as you go. So this is going to give you a head start. This prompt and this workflow is going to give you a head start. So just to recap, what this is going to do once you have this set up is it's going to first and foremost look at all your competition, research all of your competition that you give it. You're going to give it your competitor's URL. So it's going to look at their websites, it's going to look at their blogs, and it's going to look at your website and what you have done, and it's going to look at gaps in the market, opportunities in the market. It's going to do the SEO research for you, and then it's going to provide you a list of high search intent, bottom of the funnel blog titles with keywords that it's going to focus on. So it's going to create that list for you. You're going to approve it or make adjustments. And then once it's done with that, it's going to send it to Arvow. So you want to make sure to set up Arvow with your brand assets. So you can go to Arvow and you can upload all of your brand assets inside of Arvow, your sitemap, pictures, all that stuff. So then it's going to create the articles in Arvow, and then it's going to send it to your website via the Arvow integration, which you're going to set up, which I already showed you. And then you're good to go. And then it's going to populate the articles on your RSS feed. The second part of this, it's going to look at your RSS feed. So it's going to look at the articles that are currently on your RSS feed. It's going to analyze those and come up with highly engaging social media content for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you want it. So you can add more than just Facebook and Instagram. So Blotato integrates with almost every social media channel. So you can just add all that stuff to via Blotato to Claude Code. So then it's going to create your social media, however you can tell it how much you want to create. 5 at a time, 10 at a time. I would start small till you get this refined. You can have it do graphics and images or a combination of both. So it'll create the captions, it'll create the images, and then you basically tell it which ones you want it to approve and publish. Then it'll send it over to Blotato to schedule at the next time slot, or you can have it publish immediately, wherever you want it to do. So that is the entire workflow. Let me know if you have any questions below. Again, there's a link for Arvow below. That's kind of the big one. Blotato is a big one, and then Claude Code. So for as many hours as this saves, this probably saves thousands of hours. The cost is very inexpensive. I think Claude is $20. Blotato is like $30. Arvow, I'm not sure. You can get a free trial with Arvow, but Arvow is kind of the big missing piece because it kind of brings this all together with the SEO component and your built-in assets. So Arvow alone, with that consistent publishing of those SEO optimized blog articles that are bottom of the funnel, can get you a ton of traffic. So that is going to make things a lot easier for you. Like if you go, so the people, just kind of bring this full circle, you can go in here and you can look at the case studies of the people that are just using Arvow and kind of see their crazy growth. And these people aren't even necessarily automating it to this full extent yet. So this is kind of bringing it full circle with a full SEO research and automation component for the blog part of your website. So it's already going to be SEO optimized, and then you're using that same RSS feed to then produce amazing, highly engaging social media content. So it brings everything full circle. This literally could replace an entire SEO agency. So this workflow, SEO agencies were charging thousands and thousands of dollars a month to do. You could literally do this, for $100 or under, $150, less than that, to save you thousands. So that is the crazy part of this workflow. One of the better workflows that I've found that's virtually fully automated, which is amazing. So let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that helps you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you.